Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with USAA to protect your online banking login. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the USAA website. Locate the login section on the home page. Click on the register or enroll button. You will be directed to the registration page. Enter your personal information as requested. Provide your social security number or the last 4 digits. Input your date of birth. Fill in your USAA member number if you have one. If you are a family member of a member, select that option. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Create a unique username for your account. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by typing it in again. Select your preferred method for receiving security codes. You may choose to receive these codes via text or email. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Complete any additional security questions as instructed. Review the terms and conditions provided by USAA. Accept the terms by checking the relevant box. Click on the Finish or Complete Registration button. You will receive a confirmation that your registration is successful. Log into your account using your newly created username and password. Set up additional security features if prompted. Explore your account to familiarize yourself with the online banking features. Your online banking login is now protected. You are ready to use your USAA account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.